Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are looking for latest IT jobs in Pune, then today's video is going to be very useful because in this video we'll cover multiple opportunities from Pune that are live right now, and these opportunities will include multiple roles. So make sure that you watch this video till the end because you might find the perfect opportunity according to your profile. And before we start, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and join our WhatsApp groups. Link will available in description, and also share it with your friends. And before we jump into today's Pune hirings, I want to address a few comments that I have been receiving regularly. First of all, many of you have been asking for a Noida hiring video, and trust me, I have been searching continuously across company career portals, hiring platforms. But right now, compared to cities like Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, there aren't many genuine fresher openings available in the Noida region, and I don't want to make a video just for the sake of uploading content with low quality or fake openings. That's why we haven't covered a Noida hiring video till now, and as soon as I find enough authentic Noida opportunities, I'll definitely make a dedicated video for that. Now secondly, many mechanical engineering students have also commented that they want non-tech hirings as well. So today's video includes a great mechanical engineering opportunity from Emerson, especially for you, and I'm trying to make sure students from different branches also get useful job updates. And one more thing, I have also received several requests for separate MCA hiring video, but the challenge is that the number of MCA specific openings isn't enough to make a dedicated video every time. That's why whenever I find good opportunities where MCA students are eligible, I include them in these city-wise hiring videos so that MCA aspirant don't miss out on any opportunity. And now, with that being said, let's get started with today's latest Pune hiring updates. So, our first company is Icertis, and honestly, this is one of the best opportunities in today's list. And Icertis is a globally recognized product-based company, and they are hiring for the role of development intern in Pune. This is a full-time on-site internship, and they are looking for freshers and final year B.Tech students from computer science and informational technology branches. And one important eligibility criteria is that you should have at least 60% throughout your academics. Talking about the skills, so the company is looking for candidates who know .NET, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and apart from that, good knowledge of SDLC algorithms, data structures. And if you are preparing for product based companies, then these are exactly the topics you should focus on, and you should definitely apply for this. Link will given in description, and apply as early as you can because we don't know how long this is going to be live, so apply early. Now coming to the next opportunity we have from Atidan, and they are hiring for freshers for two different roles, software developer and AI engineer. And this is one of my favorite opportunity in today's video because AI engineer openings for freshers are still relatively limited, so you should definitely check it out. Location will be Pune or Mumbai, and the work mode is hybrid. You'll work from the office Monday to Thursday, and Fridays work from home. Now eligibility is very simple. Only 2025 and 2026 B.Tech graduates can apply. And one thing to note is that the company has mentioned candidates should currently be based in Pune or Mumbai. So local candidates will be provided. And if you are interested in this hiring and you are not from Pune or Mumbai but still want to relocate or join, then while you send your resume, change your location to Pune or Mumbai because local candidates will be provided. Now coming to the next hiring, we have from NextAstra Technologies hiring for junior backend and .NET developer, and role is based in Pune and is a work from office. Now freshers as well as candidates with up to 2 years of experience can apply. Company is looking for candidates with knowledge of C++, .NET, REST APIs, SQL Server and Git. And if you have been learning backend development using Microsoft's technology stack, this role is a great opportunity to start your career, and immediate joiners will be provided, so make sure you are applying early. And now coming to the next opportunity, we have from Akivna Technologies hiring for data engineer intern, and location will be Pune. Freshers, graduates and final year students with a technical background are eligible. This is a full-time work from office internship, and the company hasn't listed specific skills, but you should be comfortable with SQL, Python, databases, data processing and basic data analytics concepts. And if your goal is to enter data engineering or data analytics, then this opportunity can help you, and you should definitely apply for this. Now our next opportunity comes from ASJ Transglobal LLP company, and they are hiring for 3 different roles: Java developer, Python developer and embedded C++ developer. And candidates from BTech, MCA, MTech, BCA and BSc and equivalent courses can apply. Company is looking for candidates with strong programming fundamentals and willingness to learn. This is also a great option or great opportunity. You should definitely check this out and apply early. Now next we have Southern Global Software Company hiring for UI UX design intern, and students, fresh graduates and aspiring designers can apply. Basic knowledge of Figma, Photoshop, prototyping and user research will be beneficial. Company is offering real-time project exposure, mentorship, internship certificate, portfolio development support and a placement opportunity based on your performance. One thing to note is that the stipend hasn't been mentioned, so do verify all internship details before joining and apply early. All the application links or applying process will be given in description, and here also you can see. Now next we have open campus walking drive organized by Upskill IT Training and Placement in Pune. They are hiring for freshers for 2 roles: software developer and data analyst. The salary is up to 4 LPA, and candidates from 2021 to 2026 batches can apply, including BE, BTech, MCA, BCA, BSc, CSIT, MSc, CSIT graduates. And for software developer roles, skills like Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and data structures will be provided. And for data analyst role, knowledge of advanced Excel, SQL, Python will be provided. So if you plan to attend the walking, carry your updated resume, a government ID and other required documents. Also, before accepting any offer through a training or placement organization, make sure to verify the hiring company and never pay any registration or placement fees. And before we wrap up, here's a great opportunity for our mechanical engineering audience. Emerson is hiring product design engineers for its Pune office, and this is a full-time hybrid position. Candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience can apply, and estimated salary for this role is 13 to 18 LPA, making it one of the best highest paying opportunity. And the company is looking for candidates with experience or knowledge of mechanical design, solid age, DFMA, product development, validation, tolerance, stack up analysis. And if you are from mechanical engineering background and have worked on design software like SolidWorks or Solid Edge during your college projects, then this is an excellent opportunity to apply. And link will given in a description, so don't worry about that, and apply early. For all these hirings, apply early. And these were the latest Pune hiring opportunities for freshers and experienced candidates. And if you found this video helpful, then please like the video and share it with your friends. Also, if you have any doubt, then please ask in comment section. And if you want to suggest something, that also you can tell in comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.